Welcome. If you're looking to remove your profile picture on Discord using the PC app after the new update, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to make the changes. Once the app is open, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen, right next to your username. You'll notice a small gear icon, which is the settings menu. Go ahead and click on it. From here, you'll be taken into the settings page where you'll find all sorts of options. At the very top of the list, you'll see the section labeled My Account. This is the area where you can update your account information, including your username, email, password, and of course, your profile photo. Click on My Account to open it. Next, click on the button that says Edit User Profile. This will open a new window where you can customize your display name, bio, and avatar. Your avatar is the profile picture that shows up whenever you send messages or join voice chats. If you already have a profile image but want to remove it completely, look for the option that says Remove Avatar. Simply click on that, and Discord will clear your current profile photo, leaving you with the default blank avatar. Once you've removed the picture, don't forget to save your changes. At the bottom of the window, you'll see a button labeled Save Changes. Click it to confirm. If you forget this step, your profile photo won't be removed, so make sure to finalize the update. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can remove your Discord profile picture and go back to the default avatar. This is perfect if you want a cleaner look, need some privacy, or just don't feel like showing an image on your account anymore. Now you know exactly how to remove your profile photo on Discord using the PC app with the latest update.